Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about how to take product in Instagram post. If your Instagram account is a fruit for shopping, then you can take product in Instagram post. I will show you how to take product in Instagram post. First of all, you will log into your Instagram account and click on account. This is our Instagram account and here you can see view shop. Our Instagram account is a fruit for shopping. We can click here view shop. You can see here a lot of products. This means our account is a fruit for shopping. Now I will show you how to take product in these posts. So you can create a post and take product in it. We will click here on plus options. Then we will click on post. Then we will select a product picture. And here click on next. Next. Then we will give a caption. Then here you can see take products. We will click on that. Then we will click on this product picture. Here you can see a lot of products. You can take 5 products in one post. Then we will click on next. Next. Here you can see these products are taken this post. So when customer want to purchase this product, he will click on view shop. And click on product. And here click on view website. From here he can purchase this product. So you can also take product in existing post. So you can see this is the existing post and we want to take product in it. We will click here on 3 dot, click on edit, click on take products and then click on this picture. From here you can select any product and take on this post. We can select this product. Here you will click on next. Next. Here you can see this product is tag in this post. If you want this service, you can contact me through description link. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.